I think you're Bubba J. No, I'm not Bubba J. This is something wrong here. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Glad to be here. I am Jeff Dunham. Jeff Dunham, your ventriloquist. I'm here with Bubba J today. We're going to be bringing Bubba J out. By the way, I'm time traveling. We're at the Colosseum in Las Vegas. It's June 20th, 2018. In actuality, it's June 14th, 2018, and I'm just time traveling with my time traveling machine. So, without wasting any more time, here's Bubba J. Give him a hand. Now let me get my hand in his back. You know, I'm a ventriloquist. Hello, Bubba J. Well, hello, who are you? I'm not Bubba J. I'm Mortimer Snerd. Well, what's going on here? Where's Edgar Bergen? I think you're Bubba J. No, I'm not Bubba J. This is something wrong here. Well, ladies and gentlemen, sorry for the problem. Yeah, there is a problem. Whoops, my hat fell off. Would you like my hat off? Alright, sorry about that. I'm Mortimer Snerd, I need my hat. Who's Bubba J? Well, Bubba J, he's you. He loves beer and NASCAR and a lot of other things. He lives in a trailer park. Well, I don't live in a trailer park. I don't know where I live. Now, there's a problem here, ladies and gentlemen. There certainly is. There certainly is. Well, sorry, ladies and gentlemen. I think Bubba J is having amnesia. Why not? Bubba J, I'm Mortimer Snerd. And I'll see you next time with Achmed. Yeah, I don't know. Who's Achmed? He's my other puppet, Bubba. I'm not Bubba. If you like this puppet vlog, please subscribe. The subscribe button is on the right side of the screen where my head fell off.